Going down, 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 down. What's up everyone, the Alchemical Jackalope here, also known as the Alchemical Gamer. But this time, I'm gonna be the Alchemical Jackalope. And welcome to this little video, which is a form of collab between me, the Alchemical Jackalope, and Tenchi, the Angry Dracolope, and both of us from the Angry Jackalope crew. So, you might already have seen in the title of this video that I'm actually going to explain something very important for most that don't even think it would actually be something useful. And that's actually tritium, or tritium, however you want to pronounce it. So, what exactly is tritium? Tritium is an isotope of hydrogen with two neutrons except for the proton, which is how usually hydrogen is made. It's only a proton and an electron. In this case you have two neutrons and one proton and one electron. And this is making it have three so-called nucleons, which is kind of the core setting for this thing. It's extremely rare on Earth and is naturally made from the atmosphere reacting with cosmic rays. It can also be produced in a nuclear scientific way by irradiating lithium metal or lithium-bearing ceramic pebbles in a nuclear reactor. Tritium is used as a radioactive tracer in radioluminescent light sources for watches and instruments, and along with deuterium as a fuel for nuclear fusion reactions, with applications in energy generation and weapons. So, here comes the next question, which tags along with Tenchi's video that you are gonna have a link in the description below to actually go and visit. What is radioluminescence? It's a phenomenon in which light is produced in a material by bombardment with ionizing radiation, such as alpha particles, gamma particles, or in the case of tritium, beta particles. Radioluminescence is a low-level light source and works well for use in night illumination of instruments, as well as the other things that I brought up. There is also radioluminescent paint that can be used for clock hands, instrument dials, and for certain scopes used for guns. Tritium is commonly used for activation of a radioluminescent paint due to its radioactive capabilities to release beta particles. So, why doesn't anyone get issues with the beta particles? It actually has to do with the wavelength within the radiation itself and also the energy present in the particles themselves. And you are probably going to find this interesting. To reach only 1 centimeter or 2/5 of an inch into tissue with beta particles, you need a charge of 2 mega electron volt. So, what's an electron volt? It is the definition of the amount of energy required to move an electron with a charge equal to the elementary charge of approximately 1.602 177 times 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb over the voltage of 1 volt. Tritium only measures up to 18.6 kilo electron volt, and would by this only be able to penetrate 9.3 micrometers, or roughly 1/273rd of an inch. This makes tritium safe to use in radioluminescent purposes. And now for the what if part. The amount of energy to actually move a beta particle 1 centimeter into the human body by skin penetration is actually, as you can see right here, ends up at 3.204354 times 10 to the power of 13 joule, because 1 joule is always the same as 1 coulomb. And now comes the real what if. What if we could actually go the extra mile and make a stable beta particle that can penetrate through everything clearly without getting pushed away from its own path of travel once you have gotten it to work? As for that, I'm gonna take the energy within this can of sugar-free soda, which is 13.2 kilojoules. If you would actually take only energy within this can of Coke, I'm not kidding you, if it would be possible to keep the beta particle stable, you would be able to send the beta particle through a skin layer of 41.2 quadrillion centimeters, or roughly 10,280,724 laps around the Earth's equator. Yeah. And that's if it would be possible to keep a beta particle stable throughout the entire way. So, that's pretty much my video on tritium. If you have any suggestions for a future video, then leave a comment in the comment section below, and check out the description to go to Tenchi's video, because I'm pretty sure you will find it interesting now that you know exactly what tritium is used for. And also give a thumbs up and comment, and maybe subscribe, because I always enjoy having more moonbees watching the moon with me. So, until next time, the moon may hide a beast in shadow, but it might just be your salvation. So, see you guys during the next moon phase. I'm the Alchemical Jackalope.